Digit numbers out there, but there is some rain cooling things off across our area. Got a nice looking picture out in Marble Falls this evening, looking off towards the south, or I should say the east-southeast, and you can see the dark skies up in the distance there. That's because we got some thunderstorms just off towards the east of Marble Falls. Right now, current temperature is still sitting at 100 in Marble Falls. We're at 101 currently here in downtown Austin. We've got temperatures at 97 right now in Blanco, 98 our current reading in Fredericksburg, and 100 down the road in San Marcos. A little bit of an issue though, humidity levels very high this evening, so when you factor those into the current air temperatures, we still have feels like temperatures of those heat index numbers at 106 here in the city and 107 out at the airport. So you definitely want to still take caution if you're going to take Fido for a walk this evening. You may want to wait a couple of hours till it cools off just a bit outside. Looking at Viper radar this evening, I'm going to step out of this shot for a second and show you that we do have some thunderstorms scattered across the area. We got some heavier storms up in Williamson County, just north of Georgetown. We've got a heavy cluster of thunderstorms just moving into Georgetown at this time. This cell is moving off towards the south at about 5 to 10 miles an hour. Does have a little bit of lightning and also the possibility of producing some gusty winds and some heavy rainfalls. It's moving rather slow. Not a good thing along I-35 this time of the evening. Also have some thunderstorms moving through Leander, through near Cedar Park, also near Liberty Hill. We've got a couple of these stronger thunderstorms as well. And then they start to move off towards southern part of Burnett County near Lago Vista, and Travis County also have a couple of these little showers that we showed you earlier in the newscast. And this line becomes a little bit more broken as it moves off towards the west a little bit. We've got a couple of showers in southern Llano County, also one or two just off towards the north of Fredericksburg as well. Most of this is going to continue to build down towards the south at about 5 to 10 miles an hour along this line that kind of faded out last night of thunderstorms in North Texas that has now moved through central and into South Texas as well. You can kind of see it broken right through here, and then it moves off into East Texas this evening. So this will be the focal point for the next couple of hours for a couple of scattered showers and thunderstorms. And again, any of these thunderstorms do have the possibility of producing gusty winds in excess of 40 to nearly 50 miles an hour. So if you do have a couple of outdoor furniture pieces near the back door, you may want to bring them in or kind of tie them down if you got one of those thunderstorms nearby. Now, future clouds and rain tonight still showing that's a line near our area around 10 o'clock, but you notice by midnight most of that is gone, and then our rain chances will be shut off. It looks like that boundary will push far enough south of our area that it will not be a concern again tomorrow afternoon. What is going to be a concern is going to be that heat tomorrow. You notice most of the thunderstorms stay north of our area again for Wednesday. But this pattern's not going to be sticking around for long. I do expect to see a little bit of change late in the work week as this big heat ridge finally begins to give up a little bit. We're going to see a little trough feature move through the Rockies, and that is going to bring us a boundary with a chance of rain starting late Friday and increasing those chances through the weekend. So tonight, 77 expected for the overnight low. Winds are going to be light unless you're near one of those thunderstorms early, but generally light about south 4 to 8. Tomorrow, just like today, going to be in the low triple digits. We'll hit 102 for the afternoon high, and we got a couple more of those left in us for Wednesday and Thursday evening, or afternoons I should say. 101 expected Wednesday, 100 on Thursday. The good news though, rain chances start to increase late Friday. Best chances appear to be over the weekend. We'll see a high only in the middle 90s, which is going to be a nice change for Saturday and Sunday. 30% chance of rain on Saturday and Sunday, and some of these could be slow movers producing moderate to briefly heavy rainfall as well.